In this video, I will guide you through how to change theme or get the theme app in Samsung Mobile. You cannot find any themes app in your apps, but the theme app is already installed in your device. First, to get the theme app, open Setting and scroll down, then go to App section. Here search for Galaxy theme and open it. From here, go to Galaxy Themes Settings. From here, turn on this toggle. Now you can find the Themes app in your apps. When you open the Themes app for the first time, you have to update it from Galaxy Store. You can see a pop-up for update in Galaxy Theme app if there are any update required. Now to change the theme, open Theme app and select your theme. Then click Download. After completing the download, just click Apply to apply the theme. And that's how you can change your theme in Samsung device.
If this video helped you out, consider liking and subscribing the channel. Thank you.